Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant freezing in mid-game easy and quick. First click here and then go to background apps. Now just turn off this option and then go back and then click here and now just type services and then wait for it. Now scroll down until you find the Windows update and here's it. Now just right click and then make sure it's stopped, and as you see service state is stopped and startup type make it disabled. Now click apply and OK, and then just click here and go for task manager. And now once you're here, just make sure there is no application taking your memory, so just click on memory to see all the application that is using it. And now like Google Chrome, right click and end task, and then just end all the tasks that is taking your memory, and tasks that you don't need will play in Valorant. And that's it. Do the same with CPU and the disk, and that's it. After that just go back and try again, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.